For our project, we decided to choose term project option 1, career project, and the career we chose is finance. A degree in finance gives you many different opportunities when you graduate. This career path allows you to work in many different industries and has available positions in many different companies. It is a great business to get involved in since salaries can range from 76,000 to 100,000 and more. Many people graduate and either become a personal financial advisor or work in commercial and investment banking. These positions help not only the families and clients that they work for, but also the overall community. Many people choose different paths when they graduate with a degree in finance based on their lifestyle and what they want to do. For example, if you are a personal financial advisor, travel might be needed to meet with your clients. But if you decide to work for a large corporation, you will not need to travel. Like any other job, as you get promoted, your responsibilities grow, so the hours of work that are expected kind of vary depending on which position you choose. You can work a 60-hour job if you do something more basic, or as you go to be a CFO and other higher up positions, your hours might range from 80 to 90 hours. Relocation is not a big aspect of this job.
Okay, so the three main jobs that we picked for we thought would be good coming out of college were financial analyst, an accountant, and a junior tax associate. We ranked those in order. Financial analysis was number one, then accountant, and then junior tax associate. The financial analysis and analyst recommend individual investments and collection of investments. They also study like economic and business trends. They examine a company's financial statements to determine its value, and they normally make about $78,000 a year. And there are plenty of jobs located in Columbia, South Carolina, including like Blue Cross Blue Shield and some other places. The second one we picked was accountant. They prepare assets, liabilities, and capital accounts entries by compiling and analyzing account information. They make about $66,000 a year, a little bit less than the financial analyst. And there's also plenty of jobs in Columbia, including Nelson Mullins. The last was junior tax associate. I guess they're coming last because they only make about $57,000 a year, and there's more open jobs for those. They sit with clients to interview them regarding their annual income and expenses so that they can file the correct form. Preparing files and includes as many deductions as possible to reduce the client's tax obligations. Those are the three jobs that we picked that would be good out of college. And the final one we picked was the financial analyst.
In order to prepare the fiscal considerations or cash flow statements, I have started with my income after taxes, as well as my secondary income, my nighttime job that I work occasionally, and an allowance given to me monthly. Respectively, my income is $6,551.66 a month, while my secondary income strictly depends on my hours worked, ranging anywhere from $975 all the way to $1,900. My allowance is $1,000 a month. I put away about $95 to my retirement fund. I pay a $1,300 mortgage. My utilities range anywhere from $75 to $150, depending on how active I am that month. Communications, roughly $210. Entertainment also will vary, depending on what I do that month. My car payment is the same at $330. I'm investing almost $1,000 a month for my future. I'm paying insurance. My gas is costing me. My meals and groceries. When it comes down to it, my total profit monthly roughly is around $5,200 to $5,300 as a financial analyst, and my total annual profit is roughly $60,157. Not a bad life.
In making the decision whether or not a financial analyst would be best fit for me, I interviewed 3 different people. The first person I interviewed was my dad, who first went to college at Rochester Institute of Technology and majored in Management Information Systems. He later went back to school at Queen's University in order to become a certified financial planner. He now works at TD Ameritrade as a senior financial consultant. Coming from someone with a lot of experience in the field, my dad thinks that I have a lot of potential to do well. One of my strengths is being able to analyze different situations, and being a financial analyst, you have to do a lot of analyzing. He told me that it's certainly not an easy career path, but it can be extremely rewarding in the end. The second person I interviewed was my mom. The reason I decided to interview her was because she knows my personality best out of anyone. She said that with my great organization skills and outgoing personality, that a financial analyst would be a fit for me. The third person I decided to interview is my really good friend Caroline. She also attends the University of South Carolina and is going down a similar track as I am. She's in the business school, and we've been friends for a couple years now. She continues to advise me to stay motivated, and with that, she thinks that I shouldn't have a problem doing well in the field. After analyzing all my interviews, I concluded that the career path I'm taking appears to be sufficient and reasonable for me. Therefore, I've decided I'm going to stick with the career path I'm on.
All right, in order to pursue a career path in finance, I'm going to major in finance, and to do that, you have to finish all the finance courses. It's a lot of finance, accounting, management science, and international business. After you complete your degree, though, you still need to get work experience, and in order to do that, I am applying for an internship at a wealth management group in Columbia, South Carolina, and after that, I intend to work in sales or in finance to get my resume together and try to be able to get a successful job in finance.